Most successful dieters do these 4 things. Ta'alofa. Hello, and welcome back to beautiful American Samoa. I'm Stan Efferding, and today I'm here at Maliu Beach Resort. Maliu has been a popular oceanfront attraction here on the island for over 20 years. They've hosted hundreds of events, weddings, graduations, holiday celebrations, all catered right here in their full-service restaurant and bar. There's also a natural ocean pool. It's open daily for families to bring their children to swim, play in the sand, collect shells, and watch the hermit crabs crawling on the rocks. Welcome back to part 3 of the 5-part series of how to lose weight and feel great. The National Weight Control Registry is the largest study ever conducted on successful dieters, having tracked over 10,000 people who lost more than 66 pounds and kept it off for 6 years. Here's the top 4 things these dieters have in common. Success leaves clues. Number 1, 98% of successful dieters went on a diet. Any diet will do, but a goal without a plan is just a dream. Number 2, 94% of successful dieters increased their physical activity. And the number 1 activity, simply walking. Get a step counter and track your steps. Try and increase your steps over time. Just be consistent. Number 3, 78% of successful dieters ate breakfast every day. That doesn't mean you have to, but it's worth noting that most successful dieters do eat breakfast. And number 4, 75% weigh themselves regularly, because what gets measured gets improved. It's not about perfection. It's about consistent behaviors to support your goals. Next time, I'll share the 3 most successful strategies to actually lose weight and keep it off based on decades of research. For coaching or other services I provide, be sure to check out the links below. And if you want to learn more about the island, or maybe come swim with me sometime here at Maliu, you'll also find a link to the American Samoa Visitors Bureau. See you next time. Wha'afetai.